Meanwhile, AAP leader Sanjay Singh has slammed the BJP, stating that misuse of government agencies to topple the government horse trading are their reality. Let's listen in.
और अब जिस मामले का खुलासा हुआ है उससे देश के सबसे लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की गिरफ्तारी पूरी तरीके से अवैध थी, इलीगल थी, गैर कानूनी थी, बगैर सैंक्शन के थी। आप एक निर्वाचित मुख्यमंत्री को, प्रचंड बहुमत से निर्वाचित मुख्यमंत्री को, देश के सबसे लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री को बगैर सैंक्शन के गिरफ्तार कर देते हैं और अब एमएचए का सैंक्शन मिल रहा है। इसका मतलब अरविंद केजरीवाल की गिरफ्तारी सिर्फ दिल्ली सरकार को गिराने के लिए की गई थी, आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करने के लिए की गई थी, अरविंद केजरीवाल की राजनीति को खत्म करने के लिए की गई थी। अब तो ये सबके सामने आ चुका है ये सच। आप एक सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर को बगैर सैंक्शन के अरेस्ट कैसे?
Arzu Seth continues to be with us for more on this story. Arzu, Sanjay Singh has attacked the BJP, leveled a host of charges. What has he said today?
The Sanjay Singh has claimed a lot of things where also he said, AAP has been repeatedly saying that the BJP and the Narendra Modi-led central government doesn't have faith in the democracy. Also, there has been a misuse of the government agencies to topple the government. He said that, the arrest of the most popular Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, was illegal and the arrest was made without sanctions. And now the, MHA has released the sanctions. When we see, this now the sanctions have been released. So earlier, as the arrest was illegal, this is what the Sanjay Singh said. And also, he also claimed that, this is being done to topple the Delhi government, and the arrest that was made in the past was illegal. And he also in fact questioned who will return the 6 months in which Arvind Kejriwal was inside the jail, and who will compensate with these months that he has spent without his family members or without doing work for the Delhi people. So a lot of allegation being made, and the also once again claim that the arrest that was that Arvind Kejriwal has been sent to jail was illegal. Yes, Uday.
All right, Arzu, thank you.